In this lesson, we'll be looking at how to generate a graphical report. If you followed me in our last lesson, you'll know that we generated a numerical report from our database. All right. So today we'll be looking at how to generate graphical report from this numerical report we have generated. Before I start, this is accounting on Excel and I'm Amaka Ifeanyi. So to do that, we'll first of all select the data we want to generate a graphical report with. So I want to generate graphical report for this set of numerical reports I have here. So I'll select the range I want to convert to graph. Right. So after selecting this range, I'll go to Insert tab, go to the Insert tab, then come to the Chart section. I'm using the column. We have different kind of charts here, as you can see. So I'll be working with the column chart. So I'll select this. So we have different options of the column chart, but I'll be using the 2D column chart. You have the 3D, we have the cylinder, the coin, the pyramid, and you can even explore all chart types where all other chart types are listed. But we'll be working, for the purpose of this lesson, we'll be working with the second option in the 2D column chart. So I'll select this. Good. Now, I'll now position it to where I want it to be. I'll position it right here. Right. You can see our graph is quite ready. So I'll just resize it to the size I'm okay with. Just follow me closely as I walk through this. Good. So good. Wow. So that's good. So looking at this graph, it represents what we have in here. So the only thing I'll be doing is just to tweak some areas. Just the description is not quite okay. It's lengthy and I don't like the way it's looking. So I'll work on this area, the axis, the section. So all I do is to select that axis, the horizontal, then I'll right click. Then you just go to Format Axis. When you get to the Format Axis, you come to the Alignment section, right? So what I want is I want it in this format, right? Good. Wow, it's okay. Let me try another option. Okay, so I think the first one is okay. The first one is okay. It's centered middle. Good. So it's centered middle. I can now, if I wish to increase it, I can increase it. All right, you can increase it. You can just resize it based on your own need. You can just resize it based on your own need. Good. So we now have our graph here. So what I will do next is to change this background. That is the chart area. And what I will do is to still come to Format Chart area. I'll select that and I'll give it a texture. Wow, I think this is okay. You see, you just click on the texture, then you come here. Because I've already worked on something like this, just select. You can explore others. You can see as I'm selecting, it's changing and stuff. So I think I'll go with this first one. I'm okay with that. And I'll close. Then on this area, you for every area you want to edit, you just select it, the plot area. And one thing with the graph is that for each area, it tells you the area you're in. If you just hover your chart, your cursor, you can see it to just tell you. If I hover on the bar now, it's telling me. So that's one good thing with it. So it tells you the area at which you are in. So the plot area is what I want to format. So I'll just select. I also want to use that same field I have here because we have the white field. So I want this field to be represented in the plot area. So what I'll just do, I'll click no fill. So it will just, the background field will be what will be represented on that. So the next thing I want to do is the bars. I would like to edit those bars. That's my format series. So I'll give it a fill column. Let me use the fill pattern. We have fill pattern. So I can just choose any fill. Okay, I'll use this small checkboard. You can give it a different background. Maybe you want a brighter, you're seeing the effect, so it will just come out so nice, right? So that is how we go about. We can go on and in editing and in trying to design our chart. We have a lot of features to explore. My currently working on a course, on an Excel course that will help you understand all this in details. But for the purpose of this lesson, I believe we can just you've gotten the message I'm trying to pass on to you, and this is how you go about generating a report from a graphical report in Excel using any database. Like here we use the report we already generated using the sum if to now generate a graphical report. So one thing with this is that it's connected, so meaning that just like this report is connected to our database, so whatever I change here, let me say I come here, this is 18, that is office supplies. Our office supplies, it's 61. So let me make this 10,000 from 18 and make it 10,000, and you will see the effect. You see that everything, it's, you see, from office supplies reduced to 53 from 60 something, and even the graph itself have reduced, right? So it's all connected. So whatever you are changing on your database, you don't need to come here to edit. It's connected and it updates itself automatically. So that is the good thing about connecting your reports to your database, and even connecting your graphical report to your numerical report, right? Or even to the database, it also automatically updates itself. I believe this has added value. If it has, please share this video with someone that you know it will be of benefit to. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel to get more value tips, more value lessons as we keep rolling out more lessons. Thanks for staying on with me on this lesson, and I hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye for now.